Hi, we're back again with yet another video. My name is Party Twice, the founder and CEO of Party Twice Holdings. And saka ini Party Twice tichikudzanya dzese dzikuitika dzakamboitika dzichaitika pano pa Party Twice, pano pa Party Twice TV and muchete kusubscribe, more like, more comment. Boys, was nya dzandiri kutenge chikutambisa pana pamanchi mawani. I'm on a photo, boys. Soldier lads, boys. Lads, Malunke, boys. Zaku, yet, boys. Boys, yes, Zaku, boys. Apagaipa. So Jala, lads, boys. Punamalunke, Punamalo, boys. Boys. What are the mango, my boys? Boys. Apagaipa. You know, itika kuma streets, you know. My streets of Darren, my social media, internet will never forget. My name is Party Twice, the founder and CEO of Party Twice Holdings.